I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the clip type so you know how it grips the band. Spring clips pinch, hinged clips pivot, crimped clips are pressed. Once done, position the ring on a soft pad and secure it with light pressure to stop twisting. Use a magnifier and pick up the needle nose pliers and a thin, flat screwdriver. Make small, deliberate movements rather than forceful tugs. This protects stones and settings while you prepare to disengage. Now you focus on freeing the clip. For spring or hinged clips, press outward at the joint and feel for the release point. For crimped clips, seek the edge where the metal is folded. Once you locate the spot, slide the thin screwdriver carefully between clip and band and gently pry while the pliers hold the clip steady. Make sure to support the opposite side of the ring with your fingers so the force doesn't bend the band or loosen settings. Finish by lifting the clip away slowly, keeping the stone and band aligned to prevent catching prongs. Once removed, inspect both clip and ring for deformation. Use pliers to gently reshape minor bends and ensure the clip still seats correctly. If the clip is stuck or corroded, soak the piece in warm, soapy water for 10-15 minutes and repeat the process. If it still won't move, stop and consult a jeweler to avoid damaging the setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.